Hello students, how are you today? I think online good. So today I am going to teach you about preparation of computer specifications, the first lesson of grade 9 ICT local syllabus. So let's move to lesson and we'll see what are things we have learned on today. In grade 9 ICT syllabus, there are mainly 6 modules to study. The first one is preparation of computer specifications. I have categorized some sub-modules to cover this unit. The first module is identifying the user. The person who uses a computer we refer as a user. So there are different types of users in different types of fields and working areas. For example, programmer develops computer programs. Computer network administrator manages and maintains computer networks. System analyst design information systems, and software engineer develops softwares. And also computer application assister use office application packages for office related tasks, and web developer develops and maintains websites. Okay. And also we can classify user into two groups. They are system user and end user. End user uses the software maintained by the system user. According to the different types of users, there are different types of user requirements. For example, playing computer games, preparation of preparation of documents, access the internet, editing and audio materials, graphic designing are such things. And also there are different types of computers which are organized with the different types of requirements. For example, desktop computers, server computers, workstation computers, smartphones, tablets, notebooks, laptops, and all-in-one computers are different types of computers we use to complete our requirements. To suit with the user requirement, we can assemble a computer, otherwise we can select from it the available market. So we can classify the computers according to the nature and the use. They are non-portable computers and mobile use. For non-portable computers, we can take server computers, workstation computers, desktop computers, and all-in-one computers, which are mainly use electric power supply. These computers are large in size and relatively heavy. Therefore, they are installed and used in places like houses, schools, and offices. When we talk about mobile use computers, laptops, notebooks, tablets, and smartphones can be considered as mobile use. They are operated with rechargeable batteries. Therefore, they can be used when traveling in buses, trains, aeroplanes, from any convenient place. Okay. So let's talk about computer peripheral devices. There are many different types of computer peripheral devices. For example, monitor, speakers, mouse, flash drive, optical disc, aeroplane, printer, keyboard, and hard disks also. And we can classify them according to three groups like input devices and output devices and storage devices according to their function. Okay. We can take keyboard and mouse microphones as input devices which are used to feed data and instructions into a computer. Okay. Then when we talk about output devices, we can include monitor, printer, speaker into output devices group, because they are helps to provide information and process the input data. Okay. Then what about touch screen? We can use touch screen into as an input device and also output device, because we can use touch screen to feed data and give instructions to computer, and also we can use touch screen to output some information. So when we talk about storage devices, we can take hard disk drive, optical disk drive, flash drive, and magnetic tape drive as storage devices. When we talk about computer specifications, before purchasing any item, it's important to be aware of value and quality of the item. So, especially when when we purchasing for a computer, it is important to care about specifications of a computer. So I have gathered some technical and non-technical devices and important facts in this lesson. So first one is processor speed. The human brain has the ability to swiftly respond to all sensations. The processor is the most important part of the computer and it considered as the brain of the computer. The processor processes data swiftly. Okay, this is a human brain, and in a computer we can consider the processor as the brain of the computer. Okay, this is the processor, some picture of this processor, and this is the inside view of the processor. Okay, the performance of a computer depends on the speed of a processor. No, we called it clock speed. Okay, that clock speed means a number of instructions executed per second. We measured in using hertz. Okay, in modern devices we use gigahertz to measure the speed of the processor. Okay, when we talk about manufacturing companies of CPUs, we can take Apple, Intel and AMD as manufacturing companies. And also there are different types of processors like single core, dual core and quad core. In modern computers we use quad core type processors like Core i3, Core i5, Core i7 and Core i9. When we talk about hard disk, the hard disk provides permanent storage space for storing data and to storing all software. The hard disk is the main secondary storage device in a computer. For example, and when we talk about exercise book with 160 pages, provide more writing space than exercise book of 40 pages. Similarly, more data can be stored in hard disks with the greater storage capacity. Okay, we can store more data in a 4 terabyte hard disk than a 1 terabyte hard disk. No, okay. Then when we talk about monitor display, there are mainly three types of monitors. They are CRT monitors, LCD monitors and LED monitors. This is a picture of a CRT monitors and this is a picture of a LCD and LED monitors. CRT monitors are more large than LCD and LED monitors. And in today some desktop computers we use LCD and LED monitors. When we talk about the main memory, the main memory is with the higher capacity stores more data and instructions. So therefore computer with the higher main memory capacity is better. When we talk about the VGA, that means Vga Graphic Adapter, the monitor is the main output device of a computer. The output is fed to the monitor via VGA. Therefore two types of VGAs are onboard VGA and separate VGA. Okay, onboard VGA is fixed to motherboard and separate VGA can be fixed to the motherboard manually. The separate VGA card has a separate video memory and a processor. Separate VGA cards are useful for playing computer games. Okay, can you see this is a VGA card and there are some ports of which are used to connect VGAs. When we talk about sound cards, this is a picture of a sound card and these are sound ports. Okay, many computers are widely used in entertainment today. A sound card is required for listening music and recording audio. A microphone connected to the sound card can be used to record sounds, while a speaker connected to the sound card can be used to play sounds. Okay, pre-installed software. An operating system provides an interface between the user and the hardware. The operating system is essential to run application software. Once the operating system is installed in a computer, the necessary application software can be installed. Okay. So here I have categorized all these technical specifications in here, and you have to pause the video and write down on your notebook. Okay. And this one also. Now previously I talked about the technical features. Now I am going to talk about non-technical features to be considered in purchasing a computer. Okay. The warranty, price, service after sale, ports and network connectors and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi facilities are the non-technical features to be considered in purchasing a computer. Okay. So first go to warranty. Warranty is an important factor to be considered when purchasing a computer. Warranty given by the vendor and the manufacturing assures to cover the defects for a certain period. Customer can get this warranty in many different ways. There are three ways to get the warranty. They are manufacturer warranty, extended warranty, one-site warranty. The manufacturer warranty is given by the manufacturing company, known as manufacturer warranty. If the device malfunctions during the warranty period, it is either repaired or replaced with new one. When we talk about extended warranty, it is prolonged warranty given to customers in addition to the standard warranty. Okay, then customers have to pay some additional cost to extend this warranty. When we talk about one-site warranty, if the customer obtains one-site warranty, technicians from the respective company visit the place to work to repair the product. So they generally maintain, replace faulty parts and examine the operation in the machine. Okay. Then when we talk about the price, some computers have high price because it's because of high speed processor, or maybe the high capacity hard disks, or it's because of the this display or monitor. So some computers have low price. It's because of less memory capacity. So it is advisable to compare prices to suit one's requirement from different places and select the computer with lowest price. Okay. Then what about the service after sale? Computer sales centers provide the following after sale services to customers, which are technical advice, technical assistance, and telephone and email information of the vendor. Okay. Then we have to also talk about the ports and network connectors under the non-technical support. So there are mainly two ports, USB and network ports. Ports are used to connect the peripheral devices to a computer. Okay, the user may select peripheral devices to suit one's requirements. The computer have necessary ports to connect them. Okay, when we talk about USB, that means universal serial bus. It is widely used to connect peripheral devices to computer. Therefore, it is essential to have several USB ports like printer, keyboard, mouse, scanner, hard disk, external DVD drive, and digital camera and web camera. Also, we can use network ports to connect some network cable. Okay. In here you can see a network port, and there are USB ports also. If we talk about Bluetooth and Wi-Fi facilities, they are provide cable-free network connections to computer. No, so in here I have mentioned some summary about the lesson. You can pause the video and write down the summary also to your note. So today's lesson is over. Hope to meet you with a new lesson on next day. Till goodbye and thank you.